A for apple. The apple is sweet. Mom cuts the apple. The red apple is on the table. B for ball. The ball is round. We play with a ball. The ball can bounce. C for clock. The clock shows time. The clock is on the wall. The alarm clock wakes me up early. D for door. The door is open. I close the door. I knock on the door. E for egg. The egg is in a bowl. The egg has a shell. The egg is in the nest. F for fan. Switch on the fan. The fan spins fast. A fan makes us feel cool. G for grapes. I eat purple grapes. These grapes are sweet and tart. Grapes grow in big bunches. H for hat. I wear a hat. The hat is on my head. The wind blew my hat away. I for ice cream. Ice cream is cold. Ice cream melts fast. I like chocolate ice cream. J for joystick. The joystick is in my hand. We play games with a joystick. The joystick makes the game fun. K for key. The key opens the door. I put the key in my pocket. He found a lost key today. L for laptop. The laptop is open. The laptop is on the table. Mom uses her laptop for work. M for mango. I see many mangoes on the tree. The mango tastes very sweet. She cuts the mango into pieces. N for notebook. Open your notebook. I write in my notebook. The notebook has many white pages. O for orange. The orange is juicy. I peel the orange. The orange is sweet and a little sour. P for pen. I write with a pen. The pen is in my bag. The pen ran out of ink. Q for quilt. The quilt is soft and warm. The quilt is on the bed. I sleep under the quilt. R for radio. The radio plays songs. I can hear news on the radio. Turn up the volume on the radio. S for ship. The ship sails on the ocean. We saw a ship from the beach. The ship is very big and strong. T for telescope. My friend has a telescope. I see stars with a telescope. I look through the telescope. U for umbrella. I hold the umbrella. The umbrella is in my bag. I use an umbrella when it rains. V for van. The van moves fast. This van has big sliding doors. Our whole family fits in the van. W for watch. The watch shows time. I wear a watch on my wrist. My watch has a black strap. X for X-ray. The doctor takes an X-ray. The X-ray shows my bones. I can see the X-ray on the light. Y for yacht. The yacht is beautiful. The yacht is on the water. The yacht is very fast and shiny. Z for zipper. I closed the zipper. The zipper is on my bag. The zipper on my coat is stuck.